Hi, everybody. Tim Baker's my name, and I'm the author of Winning Teams, the 8 Characteristics of High-Performing Teams. Now, one of the 8 characteristics of high-performing teams is improving systems and processes. All high-performing teams, whether they're in the sporting world, in business, the arts, politics, wherever it might be, one of the characteristics of high-performing teams is that they take time and energy to improve their systems and processes, to make themselves more efficient and effective. Now, a lot of people in the corporate world don't do this. And the reason they don't do this, of course, is it takes a bit of time. It takes energy and time to sit down tools, and look at the team and how it can be improved. So often what happens is it gets bypassed. In fact, the only time we really do spend time improving our systems and processes is when things go wrong. And often at that stage, of course, it's too late. So what we need to do is to build that into our everyday life. We need to find the time to do this. And the good news is it doesn't take as much time as you might think. The places to start improving team performance is in the areas where you spend the most time and energy. So what are the activities that you do each week that take up the majority of the team's time and energy? Now, once you've worked that out, that's the place to start, because obviously, if you're spending the majority of time doing that, then a small improvement in efficiency and effectiveness will reap great results. So, of course, the place to start is the common work that you do. I think sometimes when we talk about continuous improvement and innovation, people assume that we've got to do something, very, very different. We've got to, turn the whole thing upside down. Really, where we need to start is what we do on a regular basis and try and improve that. So by improving our systems and processes by 10%, whatever that might mean, will result in a significant improvement over time. Why? Because we're spending the majority of our time doing that. So that's the place to start, and not to start looking for other places that might not be so obvious. Start with the obvious. That's the place to start. So if you'd like to know more about this, grab a hold of a copy of my book, Winning Teams, the 8 Characteristics of High-Performing Teams.